So for our research question for PBL, the question is there a difference in the mean resting heart rate between obese smokers and normal weight smokers? So the independent variables are the weight status of the smokers, which is normal weight and obese smokers. The dependent variable, which is also a DV, is the mean resting heart rate. So we have obtained two different samples with 50 subjects each for normal weight smokers and obese smokers. So for our normal body weight smokers, the mean resting heart rate is 80.72 beats per minute. The standard deviation is 13.66 BPM. And the skewness is 0.62 and kurtosis is 0.17. And since these two values are between -2 and 2, it follows a normal distribution. And the histogram below shows a normal curve too, which also shows that the normal body weight smokers follows a normal distribution. So for obese smokers, the mean resting heart rate is 84.24 beats per minute, and the standard deviation is 13.02 beats per minute. Since both the skewness and kurtosis values lie between -2 and 2, the obese smoker's mean resting heart rate also follows a normal distribution. Now, comparing the box plots for both samples, as you can see, both have similar resting heart rates. The mean heart rate for obese smokers is slightly higher than normal weight smokers, and both samples do not have any outliers. Thus, our conclusion is that obese smokers have higher mean resting heart rate than normal weight smokers. However, for a higher accuracy, a larger sample size should be used to confirm our conclusion.
Our H0 is that obese smokers and smokers with normal weight have the same heart rate. And H1 is that obese smokers have a higher resting heart rate as compared to smokers with a normal weight. Our type 1 error would be the mean resting heart rate of the obese smokers are higher when in actual fact there is no difference. This could create a false impression of the obese smokers that their resting heart rate is higher and that they are not as healthy as compared to smokers who have a normal weight. Our type 2 error is the resting heart rate of both obese smokers and normal smokers are the same, when in actual fact, the obese smokers have a higher resting heart rate. This could bring harm to the obese smokers as they might think that there is no difference in resting heart rate between obese smokers and smokers with normal body weight. This result would not serve as a purpose of determining them from having a normal weight. Our data is normal. The paramerics test, which is the sampling distribution, is assumed to be approximately normal, which means either the distribution of X is approximately normal or sample size is large, which is more than 30 sample size. For data, we have a sample size of 50, and this is considered to be large. We use the F distribution test. Our level of significance is 5%. So for H0, if H0 is equals to 1, it means equal variance. And if H1 is not equals to 1, it means unequal variance. And we use the two-tilt test. Our DF is 49. So we reject H0 if F statistics is less than F 0.975, 49, or if our F statistic is more than 0.025, 49. So, which also means this. And that is our F statistics is equals to 0.4975 and F statistics is more than 2.01. So our standard deviation for the normal is 13.66 and for the obese is 13.02. These values were taken from our first draft. So F statistic is 1.10. Our p-value would be 0.739.